morning, everybody. Troy from the beautiful off-grid project and the do-it-yourself world. It's almost 70 degrees. We still don't have grass, but it's gonna start. By the way, all this is gonna get cleaned up. We put the tent back up this morning. I'll show you what was damaged. Let me pause so I'm not all jerky getting there. One leg got bent up real bad, and one post got bent real bad. I straightened it as much as I could. We propped that up. I'm going to put a 2x6 across here, a doubled up 2x6, because I need this leg going anyway, so I guess it was meant to be. Yeah? Had to be done. We got that up and tied down, so the sawmill is sheltered and I'll be able to work later. It's supposed to rain. Now over here, I can't wait to get all these logs off the ground. They're starting to thaw. They've been frozen to the ground. I want them gone. I want them out of my way. I want to saw these out into 2x4s to finish all my work and get going. We went and got some slabs to finish the fencing. I had used up everything I could on the other batch, and from here, like, I'll show you a perfect example. That is a perfect garden fence piece. There's a 4-foot piece that's good and a 4-foot piece that's too thin. So that'll be good for the garden fence. This one here, on the other hand, is pretty straight all the way to the top. So I'll saw it out in the mill and it'll make a good upright for the fence over here. I have been measuring with Michelle's help. It's gonna rain, so I don't know how much video I will do. I'm in a hurry. I've got 2 posts in and I'm gonna cement them later. And I'm hoping to get all the way back, get all those logs. I'm gonna saw them out and get rid of them with a chainsaw. They've been there since, well, too long. They gotta go. We're gonna clean up behind the sheds, get all this stuff off the ground, and get all the fence posts in up to behind my workshop today. We're gonna get all the fence posts in today and get all the 2x4s in today. So, let's get to it. I'm not sure how much I'll record because the rain is coming and I've gotta hurry up. But I'll give you updates as we go. Good morning, everybody. Troy from the do-it-yourself world and the off-grid project. I have been continuing on with my work. This morning I started at 7 in the morning. It was warmer. I emptied the trailer. Over here I have what will be garden fencing. This is stuff that's not straight enough, narrows too much a little bit, or is too short for the 8-foot fortress fencing. So now I'm over at the sawmill slabbing out what's left, what wasn't straight enough. You can't ask for better. I mean, look at how straight those boards are. That is just beautiful. Picket fencing right there. I mean, you can't ask for better. So I'll let you watch a little bit while I work. By the way, I have to double check the comments, but somebody mentioned a 2x4. Thank you very much. That is awesome. I never thought about that. Really, really good. Well, let's see how it works.